So solving systems with no solution and, and infinite solutions. So remember, a no solution is when you had a graph and they never crossed. So you had two parallel lines. If you're looking at different, like a parabola, they never cross. They look like that. Infinite solutions mean that they are the same exact line. So they are every single point on that line, they have the same solution. So these seem a little weird at first. So let's go ahead and solve it just like we've been solving systems. And that's how they start. They just look like a normal system. And then in the end, you end up getting something different. So I need this equation and this equation to cancel. So I'm going to multiply by um, let's do -2. I want it to cancel with the 4x, so 2 times -2 will cancel with 4x. So -2 times 2x would be -4x. And then -2 times 3y would be -6y. -2 times 1 would be -2. Then we have 4x plus 6y equals 7. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and actually combine them. So if I combine this equation, or the -4x plus 4x, that cancels. Well, now look at this. -6y plus 6y, that also cancels. So that means you're left with 0 on this side equals -2 plus 7. If you take 7 and subtract 2, you get 5. And then if you look at this, and this is what tells you if it's an infinite or no solutions. Does 0 ever equal 5? No. So this is no solution. So since 0 can never equal 5, your answer, or these two equations, would be no solution. Okay? Now let's look at the next kind. So we have 2x minus 4y equals 8. And then we have x minus 2y equals 4. Okay? Again, we're going to multiply so that something cancels. I'm going to go ahead and multiply this bottom equation by a -2. So -2 times x would be -2x. -2 times -2y, negative times a negative, would be positive 4y. -2 times 4 would give you -8. So then we have 2x minus 4y, I'm just rewriting that equation, equals 8. Okay, now again combine them. 2x minus 2x cancels. -4y plus 4y cancels. So that's the same between infinite and no solutions. So this side equals 0, and equals 8 minus 8 is also 0. Well, 0 always equals 0. So 0 always equals 0. So it's infinite. Oops, I totally just spelled that wrong. Hold on. Oh. Let's try that again. Infinite solutions. So since 0 always equals 0, they're an infinite number of solutions, because remember, they're always touching each other. The two lines are exactly the same. So that's infinite solutions. Well, 0 never equals 5, so that is no solution.